Top 5 Best Freezer. The 5 best freezer in present time. We are going to check out 5 best freezer quality this year. This list is my personal opinion. I try to list this best product on their price, quality, durability and many more. Number 1, Winter CUF110B Energy Star 1.1 cubic feet upright lock, black freezer, cubic foot. Price, $157.83 and free returns. Energy Star rated, uses less power than a light bulb. Low noise level. Perfect for storing breast milk, ice cream and frozen food. Freestanding setup, clearance around the unit is needed. 1.1 cubic feet total storage volume. Product external dimensions, 18.5, WX 17.7, DX 19.5, H. Product internal dimensions, 13 and 1/2 WX 13 and 5/8 HX 12 and 7/8 D, compressor step, 13 and 1/4 WX 7 and 1/4 HX 5 and 7/8 D, sleek black reversible swing door. Recessed handle provides a flush finish with the door. Number 2, Midea MRCO4M3AWW Single Door Chest Freezer, 3.5 cubic feet, white price, $175.00. Mechanical control with adjustable thermostat from -12 to -28 degrees, great for storing frozen food, ice cream, ice, etc. Contains one hanging wire storage basket. Hinge-style door remains open from 45 to 75 degree angles, full 1-year/compressor 2-year warranty. The Midea chest freezer supports a wide range of temperatures from an icy cold -12 to a positively arctic -28, so the goodness of your favorite foods is locked in for longer. With an interior that's easy to clean, the freezer door opens at increments from 45 to 75 degrees so you can easily pack and unpack your favorite foods. Number 3, Winter Black CUF301BK 3.0 cubic feet. Energy Star upright freezer with lock. Price, $190.00. Brand Winter, color black, connectivity technology wireless, model name 3.0 cubic feet. Energy Star upright freezer with lock, black, form factor in-ear, Energy Star rated, uses less power than a light bulb. Low noise level. Perfect for storing breast milk, ice cream and frozen food. Freestanding setup, clearance around the unit is needed. 3.0 cubic feet total storage volume. Product external dimensions, 20, WX 21, DX 34, H. Product internal dimensions, 14 and 1/4 WX 26 and 1/4 HX 15 and 1/4 D, compressor step, 13 and 5/8 WX 7 and 7/8 HX 5 and 3/4 D, sleek black reversible swing door. Recessed handle provides a flush finish with the door. Number 4, -5 cubic feet chest freezer for your house, garage, basement, apartment, kitchen. Price, $193.79. Color black, finish type metallic, brand Arctic King, form factor compact, pattern solid, inverter type no inverter, lock type key, certification UL, capacity 5 cubic feet, shelves 2, removable storage basket for the smaller items you use the most, easy access defrost drain and easy clean interior and gasket make maintaining this unit an easy job. This higher energy efficiency model will use only an estimated 218 kilowatt-hours a year. Double layer packaging ensures safe delivery. 5.0 cubic feet chest freezer has a 1-year warranty. Number 5, Midea MRCO70SOAWW Chest Freezer, 7.0 cubic feet, white price, $334.64. External product dimensions, 32. 1 inch x 21. 7 inches x 33. 5 inches, contains one hanging wire storage basket, mechanical control with adjustable thermostat from -12 to -28 degrees, great for storing frozen food, ice cream, ice, etc. Hinge-style door remains open from 45 to 75 degree angles, full winner/compressor 2-year, Midea MRCO70SOAWW Chest Freezer, 7.0 cubic feet. White, Midea MRCO70SOAWW 7.0 cubic feet chest freezer is an excellent choice for holding your favorite foods such as meats and ice cream for long-term storage. Built-in door hinge allows you to put your food in 2 hands rather than using 1 hand for holding. Midea D+ system always offer more efficient and strong cooling. Check out the description link for more information and latest price.